I have to say, everyone I've met and had a conversation with has been super cool. I've learned a lot about a lot of different people. Looking forward to coming back next year.
So it's great to be at Peace, Love, and Van so we can meet lots of people and get re-energized with the community love.
I love the community. I love just the freedom of being able to hit the road whenever you want, minimalism. Yeah, it's definitely for me.
So many vans, it's almost overwhelming seeing all the different types of vans and school buses.
Peace, love, and vans.